I've been running the numbers to see if this house is a good candidate for solar energy, and they're looking good.
The solar panels can be financed through energy savings and a solar rebate.
To get the solar rebate, the CSI program requires that you get a home energy audit, which your utility company can provide for free. And with today's technology, we can show you exactly where your savings lie.